In this video, I'll show you how to change units from inches to centimeters in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. Currently, my settings are set as inches. To see this, click Layout, then click Margins, and as you can see, 1 inch here. And I want to change this to centimeters. To do this, click File at the top of the ribbon, then Options. Then select Advanced. And we're going to scroll down until we see Display. Here it is. Then we're going to look for this, Show Measurements in Units of. Currently it's set to inches. Select the downward arrow, then select centimeters. From here, click OK. In some cases, you may need to close down Word and reopen it. But to double check it's worked, click Layout again, then Margins, and as you can see, it now says centimeters. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn other hidden tips and tricks inside Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.